Welcome back everyone. I included this product link in the description for most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. DIERYA DK63 Wireless 60%. DIERYA DK63 Wireless 60% keyboard hits the market at a much lower price segment, but the performance is high-end. The keyboard has the decent build quality and good weight to it. The keyboard features wireless connectivity with a long-lasting 1900 mAh battery. The keyboard has an excellent gripping mechanism for shiny surfaces with or without the feet popped up. The keyboard has blue light underneath the spacebar to indicate that the keyboard is charging. It never stops, irrespective of the amount of charge. The brightness takes a big hit because the back of the keyboard is black, absorbing the light instead of reflecting it. To improve brightness, the RGB color palette is limited to 7 colors with 8 RGB effects. But the performance is amazing, and you could feel significant improvement in your response time in competitive gaming. The price of this keyboard is unbeatable. The rattling is almost gone with the proper placement of switches. The keyboard outperforms its competition for its cost. The keys are easy to pop out and can be replaced with double-shot PBT to improve the overall feel. You cannot go any wrong with your purchase at this price point. It features brown switches that are tactile in response. The overall performance of this keyboard beats everything in its market segment. I included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.